Hi everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I am bringing you a review from Carnotech, and this is their Bluetooth keyboard. Now, I'm telling you what, I love this keyboard. I always read reviews, so of course when I got this I went and checked out some of the reviews, and there were quite a few people that gave some bad reviews, and let me tell you, they're wrong. I just don't think they knew how to use it. So I mean, I'm going to go through every step just in case you don't, maybe you're one of those ones that gave this thing a bad review. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So first of all, you go to your phone and you make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Okay, then right here, so first here's the charging port. First it comes with a cord, you charge it, make sure it's charged. So here's the on button, you turn it on and you're gonna see, okay, hopefully it didn't connect. I didn't want it to connect because I wanted to show you how to connect it. Or I'm gonna go to Bluetooth. Okay, it is connected. Okay, so let me show you here. So you're gonna switch this on. Then you're gonna go to your phone first. And search for devices. Okay. Then you're going to see the Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard come up. That is what you want, and you're going to click it. But before you do that, you're going to turn the keyboard over, and you're going to see this button right here. Hopefully you can read it, but it says connect. So then you would push that, and it will connect you. So let me go. So now I'm connected, and it really is super easy. Now let me just go into Facebook here. Pretend like I'm gonna go right. So I'm not pretending, but see, then my keyboard on my phone didn't come up. Okay, I'm one-handed. I'm just doing this, but you see, and then if you have an iMac, which I don't, but I'm told that this keyboard, it is the exact duplicate. You know, it looks exactly like an iMac keyboard. So I'm not sure, but if you have one, you'll be able to let me know in the comments below if that looks like the iMac. I don't know. That's just what I'm told. So, alright, well, you can get this on Amazon. Let me go here. You get this on Amazon. Is $25.99. Right there. And you can type in Carnotech Bluetooth wireless keyboard. It will come up. I will put the price and the link in the description box below. If you guys like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Do you use a keyboard with your phone? Let me know in the comments below, because you know what? I do. I hate typing on this phone right here. It is so awkward because it's so big. I don't know if you can tell, but I mean, it's a phablet, so it is huge, and it's so heavy and so uncomfortable to type. I have been using this keyboard now for about 2 weeks, and I wish it was portable. I wish I could fold it up and like put it in my pocket, and like whenever I needed to text or anything, I could just pull it out. That would be awesome. Alright, well, you guys have a wonderful night. Thumbs up, and I will see you on my next review. Bye!